Okay, so it's overcast outside, it's raining, it's thundering, it's doing all of that jazz, and I decided to just press record. Um, yeah, Texas is doing a lot, but I'm about to be traveling in a few, so I hope that this next adventure has sun and a lot of light. Because when it rains, I don't know, it just puts you in this like damper mood. Am I the only person? Let me know down below. But I also want to talk about some pressing stuff that's been going on social media of late. And I have two boxes that I want to unbox with you all. It's a PR unboxing. Okay, so let me talk about my jewelry really fast because you all keep asking me about my jewelry on my other platforms. So you all know that I'm a huge jewelry lover. I did a video about Ana Luisa's jewelry and everyone is asking, where's the video? And I've done a video on the Ana Luisa pieces. It is in my Palm Springs adventure. And I did an unboxing of the pieces there. Ana Luisa is one of those brands. They are a sustainable brand. They talk about using recycled materials to do their jewelry. I've worked with them off and on, and their jewelry pieces are very dainty. They're very feminine. They look good. They last a long time. So I definitely wanted to speak to the friends that have been asking me about Ana Luisa and their pieces. I'm leaving all the links to those pieces down below. Also, a boutique that someone watched in my other video, they went over there and bought some pieces. It is the Elements Boutique. I have showed them before. The owner is a good friend of mine, and if you want premium luxury ready-to-wear pieces and that often goes on sale, I definitely say check out the Elements Boutique in Dallas. So I know I've been doing a lot of fashion TikTok and Instagram, and so a lot of you have been asking me more and more about fashion and jewelry. So I'm going to link everything down below, including, you know, the Elements Boutique, their website. I'll leave that down below. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands. I'm just plugging them in. Ana Luisa, when I did that showcase of the pieces, that video was sponsored, but not this one. I wanted to talk to you all a little bit because I've been hearing video after video about social media depression and a lot of content creators really wanting to take a break from social media, and that is fine. Take your break because those that love you will be there when you come back. But there's others that are with content overload. There's others that decided to take the plunge of going fully as a content creator, and then they're not getting enough brand deals to sustain them. There's also the comment section that from other content creators and from the public leaving hateful comments underneath videos. You know, I keep saying this, block and delete is your friend. You don't have to give in to the negative comments. A lot goes on in the back office. There's also the downside of brands right now not paying what content creating is worth. They are either doing a lot of exchange for product, or they're actually demanding a whole lot of content from you for like $100, $50. I've been watching the videos and I'm like, they have no idea what goes on behind the scenes. You guys, as far as content creating, it looks easy because we are editing everything in between and out of, but it takes a lot of work to do content creating. And if you have multiple platforms, you've got to find a way to diversify that same content so that it stays relevant on each platform. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, leave it down below in the comment section. I think there needs to be more of an appreciation for content creators because this is not just press and record. We have to write scripts, you have to plan, you have to batch content. You're trying to juggle doing this and being, you know, a sister or a mother or a wife and just life itself, you know. It can become taxing. And so I do believe that if you do want to do social media, that you're going to be, welcomed to a world of great possibilities, but also understand that there are some really displeasing moments as well. That's I'm trying to be diplomatic here, but that is true. So, be mindful of that when you come on social media. Okay, so let's start with this first box. I just came in here on the floor. I just split it open before I press record. So we're going to look at this together. It's a beautiful white box. So, sorry guys. Beautiful white box. And it says a lot of numbers. Oh, it's from Maison Margiela. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, let's open this up. I'm so excited. Oh my, okay. First of all, look at this. Slides of flowers. This is a scented candle. And this here is I've never tried any of the Replica line from Maison Margiela. So I'm looking forward to trying this and talking to you all about this because I love fragrance. Oh my gosh, a huge, huge thank you to Maison Margiela. Merci beaucoup. I really, really love this. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's that unboxing. I can't wait to do the other one. I'm trying to figure out how to do this unboxing though. I think I need to turn my camera towards the box itself and just open it on the floor and take me off camera just because this box is a substantial size. So let me do that. So I ended up opening it up because my address is on the other side and that I need to keep discreet. See what's happening in here. Oh my, you guys. Oh my goodness, friends. This is stunning. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Friends, I had to take a moment. I just broke down in tears. I really wasn't expecting this beautiful surprise from La Mer, and oh man, that's one thing I kept saying I'll never do on camera is break down, but I'm really grateful, and I think for a lot of us content creators who have been just grinding it out, and I've shared in the past sometimes being discouraged. I'm very grateful because of you guys, appreciating my content and my science background and, wow. Okay, let me get myself together and then I'll come back. Can I get myself together and then come back? Because I don't want to talk through my tears. Maybe I just need to have a good cry on this. People get great packages all the time. I've gotten packages before, but this one, La Mer, if you ever watch this, I want to say a huge thank you to the La Mer team for loving me, Carmen, everybody, Ashley. I was not expecting this package. So today is sunny, yay. Today is content creating day, and for a lot of content creators, you have to take a break to eat. I've heard that a lot, like you just work through. Take a break and eat, and make sure that what you're eating is something really healthy that will help you not to feel luggy when you jump back into, or lethargic when you jump back into, content creating. I love raw vegetables. I try to be very mindful of what my lunch is gonna look like. It has to be raw vegetable rich. It makes me feel better, but it also helps my skin. I'll do fruits every once in a while, friends, but I'm not a big fruit person. But I do love me some veggies. I will eat veggies just as a snack, just raw vegetables on a plate, purple onions, etc. But I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for lunch so you get to see exactly what I'm doing. But I'm taking a lunch break because I've been filming since this morning. So let me show you what I'm having for lunch. All right, friends, so here is my lunch. Everything is from Trader Joe's. That's the chana masala. I'm a big Trader Joe's person. Purple onions, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, olives. When I want a hint of salt, instead of going after salt, I'll go after olives. I love the crunchiness of vegetables, and I don't necessarily have to have meat. I'm not a big meat eater, but I wanted to show you all too. I have a large glass of lemon water. So it's not just the lemon on top. I squeezed lemon down in this glass. Now here's the thing. Let me preface this before you go drinking this. This is great for bringing down the body bloat. It's enriched with vitamin C. A lot of antioxidants are in here. Great for the skin. But when we're using a plastic glass, and I mentioned this years ago on one of my past videos, everything is chemistry. And because of my chemistry background, I really want to share this. And I want you to think about this. Because of the lemon being acidic, it will cause a reaction with the plastic bottle, glass, whatever it is that you're going to use. Any plastics. It will break down the plastic into microplastics or BPA, which is bisphenol. And that gets into the liquid. So do with that information as you will, but I want you to think about that. And that's why I drink my lemon water in a glass, or I would drink hot lemon water in a glass mug. So there you go. All right, let's get through this lunch, and then I'll show you guys what else I've got going on during today. All right, guys, so I'm here on the rooftop about to shoot some content for Maison Magella. It's so super duper beautiful that I definitely wanted to capture this on film for my TikTok and Instagram family. So that's what we're doing. Got my tripod right here, and I'm kind of like just setting up the stage right here, but it's gonna come together nicely. All right, friends, it's dinner time. I ended up just making me some white rice, vegan meat, and I have some beets here from Trader Joe's. Everything is Trader Joe's. I'm a huge Trader Joe's fan, but I'm taking a break from social media. I just uploaded content on my TikTok and scheduled like material to go up on my Instagram. So check me out there. But yeah, I need to take a break, you guys, because I am spent. I'm just going to relax for the rest of the evening.